When your car battery dies once, it may be tempting to just write it off as a fluke. Batteries can die for a huge range of different reasons, and there's always a chance that whatever went wrong won't go wrong again. Fingers crossed. But when your car battery keeps dying over and over again, there's a pretty safe bet that there's an underlying problem that needs to be dealt with before you end up stranded somewhere on the side of the road. So here are 6 short and sweet reasons why your battery keeps dying.
Number 1, headlights or dome lights are left on. Headlights or even a very dim dome light will drain a battery dead overnight. So make sure to check for any interior lights when it's dark outside. Some headlights are designed to remain on for a while, but a malfunctioning system may leave them on permanently. Number 2, battery is in a weak or poor condition. A poorly maintained or weak battery may not hold a charge very well. Even small drains, like the memory function in your car radio, may kill a very weak battery. Number 3, corroded or loose battery connections. Corroded battery connections can prevent the charging system from topping off your battery when you are driving. Loose battery connections can also cause problems. Number 4, other parasitic drains in the electrical system. Parasitic drains can be difficult to find, but they are fully capable of killing batteries. Common drains include glove box and trunk lights that come on or remain on when they shouldn't. Number 5, extremely hot or cold temperatures. Hot or cold weather won't kill a battery that's new or in good shape, but a weak or old battery may fail in extreme conditions. Extremely hot or cold weather can also magnify other underlying issues. And 6, charging system problems. If a battery seems to die when you're driving, the charging system may be at fault. Loose or stretched belts and worn tensioners can prevent an alternator from working.
All right, do you have anything to add to that list? If so, please leave it in the comment section below. Until next time, I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman Driver. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One more thing before you go, I've added links in the description below to some of the best-selling automotive accessories and products on Amazon right now, plus links to some of the product reviews I've done. You can find it in the description below this video. And if you don't mind, take a couple of seconds and click that subscribe button. I'm uploading 2, 3, sometimes 4 new videos every week, and I don't want you to miss anything, plus it helps support my channel. As always, if you have any constructive criticism, thoughts, or suggestions about my video, please leave it in the comment section below.